So a client came in, this guy's KTM bike, wanted a more aggressive looking, really cool gauge mount. Didn't look so big and bulky as the factory one. This is what the factory gauge cluster housing was that we took off of the bike. So we planned all the original mounts and everything on how things mounted to the bike, how the gauge cluster mounted themselves. And then we put that into Fusion 360, and we were able to come up with a complete CAD drawing of what we wanted to accomplish. So then we took that CAD drawing, transferred it to our CNC router, where we made this part out of PVC plastic just to get a rough idea how everything was going to fit onto the bike, how the gauge was going to mount to it, clearance for the lights, all that stuff. And then the final round, before we go to carbon fiber, because of the expense of carbon fiber, we transferred this file in and cut it all out of acrylic. So acrylic is the next closest thing to carbon fiber as far as strength and durability, tight tolerance, structural, so we know how everything's going to work, everything's going to bend with the bike, and everything's going to clear. So now that we have everything figured out with this, now we'll transfer it over into 6mm solid carbon fiber plate. And then that'll get clear coated, which will match a lot of the carbon fiber trim, wheels, etc. on the bike, and maintain that very industrial look to it.